How to log into your Facebook account if you no longer have access to your email address or phone number. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app or visit the Facebook login page. If you've created a Facebook username, enter your username instead of your email or phone number. Then type your password and tap Log In. If you can't log in, then you follow the instruction on your screen. If you don't remember your username, tap Forgot Password or Find Your Account. On the Account Recovery page, search for your account using your full name or username. Once you find your account, follow the on-screen instructions to verify your identity and recover access. If you still can't sign in, you'll need to recover access to the email or phone number linked to your Facebook account, or follow Facebook's account recovery process. And that's it. That's how you can access your Facebook account without entering an email address or phone number, provided you have another supported login method. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications